Hello, I'm Dr. Spiker Davis. I'm a cosmetic dentist in Houston, Texas. I'm an old dental lab technician, and I'm also a digital smile designer. And I'm here to talk to you today about a case that we did for Nicole. Nicole was my old dental assistant for many years, and she retired and went into weightlifting and training at the gym. But on a Saturday night recently, she was involved in a serious automobile accident, almost lost her life. She ended up losing her leg. She ended up losing a lot of teeth. She had a lot of problems. So what you're going to see today is a case where we repaired all of her broken teeth, and we were able to restore her back to her normal health while she's waiting for her new leg. So this is our beginning video of Nicole. You can see she obviously damaged her teeth. In fact, she damaged 4 of the 4 front teeth. So we took x-rays so we could make sure that she still had good bone and good root structure. And then we had to grind off the jagged edges and the broken pieces of what she had left of her teeth. And once we get all of those off, then we need to examine that and make sure that they're healthy. And it takes a little while to grind that stuff off. But in general, it's not a painful procedure. Of course, we have to give you some anesthetic and make sure that you're comfortable. But this is not too bad. So then we take an impression of Nicole's teeth. And with the impression, we're able to send it to the lab. In this picture, we're also making Nicole some temporary veneers or temporary crowns to wear while she is waiting on the permanent restorations coming from the lab. So in this photo, I'm trimming, polishing, smoothing her little temporaries to make them look like natural teeth. And so now we're cementing those in place. So she walked in looking all snaggletooth, and poor thing was jagged and her teeth were sensitive. And then we got through and she's fine. Now she's coming back a couple of weeks later, and we're taking off the temporaries that we made for her, and we're going to put on the permanent restorations. So we have to grind through the little plastic temporaries, and generally plastic will fall apart. And so there's what poor Nicole looked like after her car wreck and after repairing them. Here are her permanent crowns that we're going to cement onto her teeth today. And so that's what they look like. And then we're going to mix up some glue and place them on her teeth. But first we're going to try them in just to make sure they fit and make sure that everything's perfect. And then we put a little degreaser on her teeth. That's what the blue gel is, and that cleans the teeth, it sterilizes the teeth, it etches the teeth, makes it easier or better for the glue to adhere to her natural teeth. Then we rinse all of that off, and we apply several of our bonding chemicals that help the crowns to stick to her teeth. And then we start putting all the crowns in. And then Nicole will get to look at them here in a few minutes, but we have to push each one on there carefully, hold it, cure it with the light, and then we do that with all of those. We clean off the excess. And the excess is, we cure it with a light, and so then we peel off the excess. It kind of comes off like little chunks of glue or little pieces of glue, and then we shine the light and everything hardens up. And so now she has 2 of her crowns on, and we're cleaning off the excess. And then we're going to place the other 2. And then all of a sudden, voila, here's Nicole. There she is, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, ready to go back to life. In today's film, it's very interesting to see what happens sometimes when we're involved in a car wreck, and I hope you never are. But if you or a friend are involved in an accident, involved in a fight, maybe involved in a sporting accident, get hit in the mouth and damage your teeth, lose your teeth, then a lot of times we dentists can put you back together and create the new smile. And so that's what we did with Nicole. And if you have any questions or you'd like to discuss this, or you have a friend that's maybe been involved in an accident, well, give us a call, 713-781-2800. Thanks.